Okay, here we are. Are we live?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Let's give everybody a chance to get situated here. I can probably, whoops, wrong button. Okay, I can probably do that to get that out of the way. Okay, so here we are. We are at the live trial of Inga Scoop, who has been accused of murder. The Honorable Orange Beth presiding. And we're live. Okay. Here's our prosecutor, Paul.
Yeah.
He is charging Inga with murder. The murder of Hoptastic 3. And there is a poll up on Play All Day throughout the trial. You can decide if Inga Scoop is guilty or not guilty, and vote there. Okay. All rise.
Oh, maybe sit down.
We're being very quiet.
Yes, we all.
You may sit. Okay. Because rising for the Honorable Orange Beth.
Yes. Very important.
Okay. I am Inga Scoop here, and I am going to prove that I'm not guilty. And the prosecutor, Paul, is going to try to prove that I am. Shall we start? Let's roll. Okay, I'm Inga now. I'm certainly ready. Very prepared. The prosecution is seeking to charge Inga Scoop with second-degree murder in the death of Hop 3, advocating for a minimum sentence of 25 years in prison if convicted. Okay. The evidence against Scoop is substantial, with witnesses testifying to witnessing a violent altercation between the two and forensic evidence linking Scoop to the crime scene. Additionally, the prosecution is requesting that Scoop be held without bail, citing the severity of the charges and the potential flight risk posed by the accused. Yes, that's definitely fair. If she is guilty, she should not be let out, for sure.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody's got little opinions going on the side. So we'll see. We'll see what happens when we start calling witnesses. No, I get to make my opening statement, sir. My turn. Okay. So I do not plan to type all this out. I'm just going to talk it. Okay. Not typing, just talking. So I hope you guys are tuned in. Members of the jury, you have an important job to do today. You will be hearing two sides of a story. You will be presented with evidence and witness accounts. You will receive a lot of information. And with that information, you will make an informed decision that will determine the fate of one woman. Me. I, Inga Scoop, respected journalist, have been accused of a heinous crime. I've been accused of murder. But what is murder? Murder is the unlawful killing of another human. There are many ways to murder someone: shooting, stabbing, strangling, poisoning, drowning. So, how did I do it? How did I allegedly murder Hoptastic 3? Well, that's an excellent question. And it's a question with no answer, because I didn't do it. and no one can prove that I did. In order to prove murder, the prosecution must prove 3 things. 1, that the act occurred, that Hoptastic 3 was indeed murdered. But guess what, folks? There's no dead body. No body. 2, the prosecution must prove that I, Inga Scoop, respected journalist, had had intent to end the life of Hoptastic 3, but that proof does not exist. No proof. And number 3, the prosecution must prove a link between me, the act of murder, and Hoptastic 3. In other words, evidence must exist that proves beyond a reasonable doubt that I knowingly and purposely caused the death of Hoptastic 3. That evidence does not exist. No evidence. To be honest, we can't be sure murder took place at all. And you will see that today. By the end of this trial, there will be no question. Inga Scoop is not guilty. Thank you. Your witness, Paul. Okay, Eden. I'll prepare for that as well. I will cross-examine her after he's done. Let's see. Get a good view of her. Oh no. That's going to be frustrating. No. Okay. Well, no. See, the hashtag strangler did it all. It wasn't Inga. Okay. You know what? If he's asking her name, that's probably why it's tagging. So we'll just skip the name. We know she's Eden.
Yeah.
He's asking her, was she here? I'm gonna have to get up here to see everything. Was she present at the location of the murder the day it occurred? Who's fighting?
Huh?
Okay. Yes, she was present at the location the day of the murder. What was she doing? Oh, the animals are fighting. Working as a cop. Okay. Now this was in Greenville. So your job is a cop.
Yes.
Sure is. She does anything you can think of in Greenville.
Wow.
She's very versatile. Okay, did you witness any suspicious individuals or activities leading up to the murder? Well, answer the question. Did you witness any suspicious individuals or activities leading up to the murder? When Jake and her were fighting. Okay. We told her to get in the car. The police car?
I don't know.
I assume. Can you describe the appearance or characteristics of the victim? Hop 3. She was blonde and one of the nicest people you could think of. Aw.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Ooh, she has some stuff to say.
Ooh.
Wait till the questions are done. That's fair. He might ask her a question that is something she was going to say. Uh-oh, did we lose our judge?
Uh-oh. Let me say.
It's fine. We have a backup judge in case. Did you see anyone with a weapon at the crime scene?
Uh-huh.
No, just the white Jeep in the lake. Welcome back, Your Honor. Were there any other witnesses present during the incident? Yes. Who?
Well.
All right.
This is enough. We don't need this happening.
No, this is the reason that this was invite only, so we would not have things like this.
Yeah.
Did you notice any vehicles or license plate numbers that could be relevant to the case? Okay. Oh, she listed who was there. The witnesses were Hoptastic, Hoptastic 2, her, Dr. Rob, Jake, and Chance.
Okay.
Okay, she didn't notice any vehicles or license plates, okay? Now, so right before we came on, Inga agreed to testify. So that's going to be really interesting.
Yes.
Can you describe the emotional state or behavior of the suspect after the incident? Objection. Speculatory. Your Honor, he's asking her to assume someone's mental state. Your Honor. Sustained or overruled? Oh, no. No assumptions. Okay, that sounds like sustained to me. Yes. With all due respect, Paul, we need to get on with this. I'm tired of wearing this dreadful color. Never said assume. You asked her opinion of someone's mental state. She is not an expert witness on such things. Dang indeed. Moving on. Okay. Next question. Whew. Glad the judge sided with me on that one. Small victory. Okay. Oh, okay. It's my turn. Okay. I'm going to type now.
Okay. This is actually...
Hello, Eden. Nice of you to come out. Tell us about the last time you saw Hop 3. I put my candy down and now I can't find it.
I'm just sitting back.
She was lying in a bed, okay.
Mm-hmm. The hospital bed.
Who else was there? Okay. Hoptastic, Hoptastic 2, Dr. Rob chance at me, just like she said before. Was she alive? Well, I guess she could say her name.
Very close to death.
And was I, Inga Scoop, present? Did you see me anywhere in Greenville leading up to the incident? I like that we have a protester outside. Jake should be in jail free, Inga. No. She wasn't there until a few days later. No further questions. Thank you, Eden.
Who's next for the...
It is a probative relevance. It's incredibly relevant. It's a witness who says Inga wasn't there. Okay. The prosecution wants to call Chance to the stand, but Eden had something she wanted to say. She wasn't there till after Hoptastic 3 was ooped. So Inga wasn't there. Remember this information if you're going to vote in our poll on Play All Day on whether Inga is guilty or not guilty. Okay, the judge wants Chance on the stand. Wow. Eden is testifying unasked. Uh-oh. I think the judge is going to have to get order in this courtroom. Okay, so they're arguing about the Jeep. Okay. Okay, so she is recounting the story of why Jake did it. Judge is having a drink. Okay, he's objecting, saying that that's not relevant because this is Inga's trial, not Jake's trial. Okay. Okay, well, Eden's off the stand now, so we can move on. I guess she could ask the jury to disregard, but it's hard to unhear something. Okay. Oh no, I better plug up.
Oh, you can.
Thank you. I can't die during my trial.
Yeah,
Okay.
That would be horrible.
All right, let's move things along. Okay, I better get up close so I can see what's happening. Okay. Hello, Chance. Were you present at the location of the murder on the day it occurred? I was in the town of Greenville. But not specifically where the murder occurred. So you did not witness it? No. But I was there after. Then why is he up there? Because I was in the town and I was working as a police officer. Well, okay, so I know what happened. Did you see them? Did I see who? Inga and Hop 3. Oh, Hop 3 and the suspect, which is Inga. Yeah, same thing. No, I never saw them together. Inga was never in Greenville. I did see her with Jake, though. Do you know that? But because we got credit card usage on plane tickets on objection. Hearsay. There have been no material evidence of that nature. No verified evidence. Overfilled. Okay. All right, well, that's a hit for me. Okay, so my objection was overruled, but, well, I don't see the evidence, so. Next question. Guys, we did this by invite only to avoid everybody butting in. We're trying to do a legitimate trial here. Just because you're the mayor doesn't mean you're better than us. What are they talking about?
I know, right?
Everybody really wants to speak. And I want everybody to speak, but we've got to let us be organized here. I'm desperately trying to keep this one organized. Oh, Frederick's going to remove the signs. Okay. Okay, so it's my witness now. Hello, Chance. Describe Hop 3's condition the last time you saw her. She was laying on a hospital bed in Greenville after Jake drove his car into the lake with her in it. Okay. And she was alive. She was struggling to breathe, and I didn't think she would make it. Then what happened? Where did she go? I don't know. She just vanished? I see. And you, let's see, where do I want to go with this? Did you see Inga in Greenville? Did you ever see Inga and Hop 3 together ever? No, not one time ever. Okay. Did you have any interactions with Inga? That's me, Inga Scoop, respected journalist. Infrequently. Would you characterize her as a killer? No, in no way would I think that of her. No further questions. You may step down. Okay. Who's next? Okay. So he is now calling Sprinter Bloxian, aka Camry, to the stand. Okay, what did I miss while I was questioning? Is everything good now? Where's our witness? Oh, right there. Okay. Okay, now you're getting called to the stand, Hoptastic.
Are you?
You are. Nope, now he's going. Okay, okay. You have a second. I am not prepared to question this person. I. Aye. Okay, I better pay attention. What were you doing at the time of the incident? That's a good question. I was in Greenville. Did you witness any suspicious individuals or activities leading up to the murder? I think Mayor Nick's arm must be getting tired out there.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Inga Scoop was driving a white Jeep into the lake. The witness is lying under oath. Perjury. Several witnesses testified that he was not there. We have a list of the names of the people that were there.
Yes, we do.
I can see here the witness is lying under oath. Objection. He's objecting. Here's cameras.
Well, we can't actually see them, so it might be a lie.
That is not evidence.
Yeah, because we can't actually see it unless you actually.
No one can see that. It's falsified. You can't just make up anything you want. What if Stetson did all this? Okay. Well, I mean, if Eden can testify her story, then he can testify his. I won one. Okay. Jeez. I guess, is this my witness? You know what? Okay, now Sandy did something. Okay, no questions for this witness. I think this is an unreliable witness, as it is an unreliable witness. Whew. This is stressful. Okay, now Hoptastic.
Okay. What? Sandy! Sandy.
We have a planned witness list, guys. We're going in order of our planned witness list.
Guys? Well, they said so.
You were called to the stand, yes?
Yes, I was.
Okay, so it's you. And I mean, we will give everyone a chance to speak.
Yes.
Okay, hello, Hoptastic. Do I have questions planned for you? Oh, yes, I do. Okay. Sorry for your loss. That's nice.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Were you present at the location of the murder on the day it occurred? Okay. Not right where it was, but near.
Yes, very near. Yes. Oh. Yes. At the.
Did you see Hop 3 in the car?
Yes.
What car is he talking about?
The white Jeep.
The white Jeep. And Inga Scoop?
Nope. Not at all.
Okay.
I did not see her in the car at the time.
Sandy, please don't eat the aquarium. Oh, the poor guy's passing out from stress.
Eat some onion. Okay.
She already ate Florida, now she's eating Miami. Did she break it into parts? She saved Miami for later. Oh, choking. Did you describe the appearance or characteristics of the victim? I forgot that part.
What?
Sandy forgot to eat Miami. Oh, how nice.
Okay.
Have you seen or heard anything since the murder that might be related to the crime?
What?
I mean, if it's anything, it has to be something that's legitimate. It can't be a rumor. Oh, I just realized Paul would be smart to call Mayor Nick to the stand. Any rumors? That would be hearsay. Objection! Objection! You can't request hearsay. I mean, I guess you can, but I'm just going to object to it. Hold on. Ah! The chat moves. I'm just giving some friendly advice to my opponent. Okay. Overruled. So she can talk about rumors? Well, I mean, okay. Sit or leave, Sandy. Go drink Detroit or something.
So you gonna ask me any more questions?
I don't know. Okay, where are we at here?
I don't know.
Did you notice any injuries or signs of struggle on the victim's body?
I just knew that she was hurt.
Okay.
I just didn't see anything.
Okay. You were there. Where did Hop 3 go after the hospital?
I don't really know.
Was Inga there?
Nope.
Any sign of getting stalked?
Nope.
Ooh. Okay. Nothing further. Okay, my witness. Get back up here.
Me?
Yes, I have to question you.
Oh. Sorry.
I need to cross-examine. Cross-examination. Okay. Hello? So the last time you saw Hop 3, she was alive.
Yes.
And left on her own?
I guess so.
Has she disappeared like this before?
Many times.
Many times. So it's common for her to go away and then return unharmed later?
Very common.
How many times has she been murdered?
Well, I don't know. None?
Are you going to say it? How many times has she been murdered?
I can't tell. Because,
But she comes back every time.
yes, she does.
No further questions.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa. Get up, girl. So there we go. I'm making my case. All right. So we have Hop 2. Okay. Oopsies. Alrighty. I wish there was a chair prop too.
Yeah, same.
All right, let's see where we're going. You ready for this hop 2? Did you get that outfit from hop 3?
No.
Oh.
My mouse kept sliding. I couldn't say hi.
Okay, he's giving his condolences again. Were you present at the location of murder on the day it occurred? Were you there when the murder happened? No, I was in Greenville though. Okay, so pretty much like the rest of them. What job? Cop. Okay. Jerry, you can see the shows, they were all cops. Were they targeting? I think they were just protecting the town.
Yeah.
But that's speculatory. Have you seen or heard anything since the murder that might be related to the crime? No, not really. Was Hop 3 having weird emotions? And thoughts that you know of? I don't think so. Was she acting suspicious? No. Okay, that morning, did she think weird stuff? Objection! Asking her to read someone's mind. She can't know what anyone was thinking. Unless she communicated those weird thoughts, how would she know? No further questions. Okay, I'll ask you some questions now. I'll keep it brief. Okay. Let's see. Have you witnessed Hop 3 disappearing before. Oh, did you answer? I'm sorry, I couldn't see you. Was she murdered any of those times?
No, otherwise.
Okay.
Yeah, she wouldn't have made it to.
Then doesn't it stand to reason she may not be murdered now?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Nothing further. Okay, I have Hoptastic and Hoptastic 2 confirming that Hop 3 disappears sometimes, but she comes back.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, where are we now? What's happening?
No idea.
Uh-oh, Stetson's being called to the stand.
Okay.
Okay. Yep, that's right. We added Stetson on the list before this started. Okay, all right. Oh, okay. So Stetson, I guess, wants to make something like impact statement. He's not officially a witness, so he's just going to speak directly to the jury. All right, Stetson, give it all you got. She was screaming in the car. Jake from State Farm in the car. Hmm. Let's see. Witness is testifying to Exhibit A. Yes, it shows reasonable doubt to Inga's guilt. It was on the news. Okay. So that doesn't show, you can't use it to show Jake's guilt because it's not Jake's trial. But we can use it to show reasonable doubt of Inga's guilt. So if we're mentioning somebody else, it's not that we're trying to say somebody else is guilty necessarily. It's more of saying, well, maybe it was this person instead. So we're not trying to to make someone else guilty of just trying to prove Inga's innocence. When can I speak? Does he have more to say? Have you guys voted in the poll yet?
Yes. No.
Oh, sorry. He's saying something. So Greenville was after the accident. Did Sandy not leave?
She left.
Oh, okay. Why are people asking for her to be banned?
I don't know.
Ruining everything for the heck of it. Well, that's, you know what? That's something to consider in our next live that we do invite only. Because this one we felt like we were inviting people who would respect what we were doing. So that's always a consideration. Okay, what is Stetson saying? Is he testifying that Inga wasn't around? Sandy's being unrealistic and violent. Well, that's a problem.
She's in eating places. She ate Florida. She ate a bunch of places.
You shouldn't be able to eat Florida, though.
Yeah.
There's video evidence, and it did not show her in it. I don't think I have any other questions for witnesses other than I thought he was going to call Jake, but okay. We got a new witness on the stand that no one is prepared for.
Who?
What? Okay, Exhibit A was the car driven into the lake. Yes. Yes, that we did enter that as evidence. So is he going to let him testify then? When at the hospital, Hot 3 disappeared. News teams and investigators gathered suspicious object. What on earth is that? Some animal advocacy club? The Happy Wolf people, or whatever he calls it. The Great Wolf Society is known for kidnapping. Objection! the plugger.
Here you go.
Thank y'all. This one's not gonna work. He's talking about some Maple Leaf Furry Club. Oh no. Eden's corroborating the story.
I don't know if that.
She's supporting his story.
What did she say?
That she saw something with the Great Wolf Society logo on it. Inga is acting odd. Well, I'm on trial for murder. I should hope so. Okay. So he thinks Inga should be charged with suspected kidnapping and Jake for attempted murder. Okay, well, unfortunately, the charges are set right now. And Inga is on trial for murder. So the question's going to be if Inga is innocent or guilty or not guilty. Not guilty is not the same as innocent. Great Wolf Society is 100% on this. Investigators should visit these sites of suspected Wolf Society places. Do you have any Wintus? Do you have any questions for this Wintus? I guess not. No, I don't. You know what? I don't. No question. Okay. Inga is the next witness. All right, I'm taking the stand. This is a big deal in my own murder trial. I'm taking the stand. In real life, this is typically frowned upon. What were you doing at the time of the incident? I was doing an investigative journalism story on the Develop Cherry Road movement. I was here in Brookhaven at my home in Blackhawk. Please, no props. Thank you. Can I describe the appearance or characteristics of the victim? Blonde, annoying, kind of a criminal. Wait, so?
She has blonde hair.
Wait, what? You didn't say on that day. I was just describing her in general. Please give me space. I'm testifying here. Nothing further. Okay. Get up, Inga. Nope, 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 nope. Closing arguments. I have a closing argument. Before you can vote, if you haven't voted yet, you got to listen to the closing arguments. Okay, does he have a closing argument, did he say? I got a text from witness Dr. Rob. Okay, Paul goes first with closing arguments. I don't know if he has one or if he doesn't. If he doesn't, he can decline. Oh. Hi, sorry I couldn't come to the jury case. There was an emergency. Tell them about the needle Jake used to poison Hoptastic 3. I'm afraid he's going to throw that out as irrelevant. Okay, so now we're just waiting for if Paul wants to do a closing argument. Yeah, I'm surprised Dr. Rob was able to text too. He probably had some youngster do it for him. He probably wrote it on a letter and had a carrier pigeon bring it. If you have something to say, go ahead while we're waiting. Well, I'm prepared to give my closing argument, but the prosecution is supposed to go first. I don't know if he's got one or not. Dr. Edwin was here. Okay. I don't know what to do. He doesn't have one. Okay, well I'll give mine, but it's gonna be not typed. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've heard a tremendous amount of very complicated information today, but the solution is very simple. No body, no crime. There is no body. Hoptastic 3's body has never been recovered. Hence, there's no evidence and no proof a murder, or any crime for that matter, took place. If your friend goes on vacation, do you immediately assume they've been murdered? Of course not. Hoptastic 3 likely left on her own accord, which she has the right to do. And you heard straight from Hoptastic and Hoptastic 2, she's done this before. If she'd been murdered, in all likelihood, her body or some sort of concrete evidence would have been discovered by now. But there's nothing. No body, no crime. And there has been no evidence to prove otherwise. And so the verdict is clear. Inga Scoop, respected journalist, is not guilty. Thank you for your time. Okay. Wow, there's all sorts of allegations still going around. Has everyone voted? Okay, because I'm about to pull up the poll, I think. Okay. If you haven't voted, go to the Play All Day community tab right now and vote. And I'm going to pull up the poll and we're going to see what the results are. We're going to see if Inga is guilty or not guilty. If she's guilty, she goes to jail. If not, then let me say. If not, she'll give a press conference outside.
Well,
okay. Are we ready?
yes, very ready.
You voted?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you the plugger for a minute.
Thank you.
I will probably need it back. We're running on 2 plugs here. Let me. I should have been more prepared than this, but it's okay. Okay. Here we go. We're going to check out the results. Ooh, we have a verdict of not guilty.
Yes.